Family, today is big news. Volvo is hosting a massive collection of pickup truck roll-up covers. Among pickup truck modification accessories, roll-up covers are key items for enhancing practicality and aesthetics. However, with so many types of pickup truck roll-up covers on the market, many people suffer from decision paralysis, unsure which one is best for their pickup truck. Don't worry, today Volvo is showcasing all the common pickup truck roll-up covers available, just to help those of you with decision paralysis make a quick decision. Next, let me introduce the stars of this collection. First up is the soft roll-up cover. It's soft to the touch, easy to install and remove, and relatively affordable, making it a great choice for those on a budget who still want the convenience of a roll-up cover. Then there's the folding cover, which can be folded in sections, providing more space when loading large items, offering exceptional flexibility. The premium electric roller shutter cover, just the name tells you it's something special. It's electrically controlled with the touch of a button. The cover opens and closes automatically, exerting a high attack feel and offering both convenience and style. The sweet fold cover combines the advantages of both folding and electric roller shutter covers, offering the flexibility of a folding cover while also being electrically operated. Every powerful feature, the manual roller shutter cover is a classic style, relying on manual operation to raise and lower the shutter. It has a simple structure, good stability, and is relatively affordable. Finally, there's the tall cover, which is taller than a regular roller shutter cover, providing more storage space, suitable for those who frequently need to carry large amounts of items. We happen to have a cool pickup truck here. Next, we will install each type of roller shutter cover in turn, allowing everyone to see firsthand how different covers look on a pickup truck. It's the simple practicality of the soft roller shutter cover more to your liking, or the high-tech feel of the premium electric roller shutter cover more appealing, or perhaps the unique charm of the other roller shutter covers draws you in.